Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. I bought this from Amazon. As you can see, quality it seems very nice. And here there is a LED link. Let me show something. And this is the remote control. You have a 3-option timer and switching. As you can see, the 5S Wi-Fi. And it's an app. I connected to the app. In the app you can it show you the temperature, and based on the temperature you can adjust the speed. For example, if you want to speed edit, for example in level 2 speed, okay, you want to edit speed, for example, yes, just in this temperature you want level 3 speed, and then it's automatically just save. As you can see, it's automatically increase the speed to the level 3. That's cool stuff. And let's go to the back, and you can control. Now it's rotating. Okay, I just click on this on rotate, it's stop. Again rotate, it's again start on rotate. And this is the customer's model, and they have a child click and also unit temperature. You can, let's go to the back and see. Now it's 25 centigrade, and if I just want to change to the Fahrenheit, it's now showed it 78. It's very nice. And in the standard model you have a natural wind, and sleep model auto. It means that you change the, how can I say, the speed of fan based on the temperature. And this is the display mode off. If I just click it, as you can see, I just click in display mode off and display mode on. As you can see, it's now off, and I just want again, it's on. And super cool, I love it. And let's look here again. As you have a control also, they do the same, but the definitely smartphone is much better than this. And if I want to turn off, just click it and turn it off, and that device is off. Turn it on, off in the control, and turn on again, it's start, turn off. Super cool, I love it. And yes, I think it's received my 5-star, but it's expensive. As you can see, it's still gorgeous. Here I just want the bottom to top. Speed also is acceptable, and this is the other part. Yeah, totally I like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Unplug it.
How do you want you to cut the cord?
No, plug it back up. Plug it up.
Unplug it?
No.
Oh.
It's plugged up. Nothing's happening. Unplug it again.
Okay. Okay.
Plug it back up. Nothing happening. I move it around. There go the. I moved it around. The beat. Come on. Turn right back off. Before, or at least stay on a little bit longer. If I tilt it. No. That's it. Pretty sure I shouldn't have to fight to do this, but
Okay, battle of the fans. I've been using this little metal blade fan forever because, as we all know, metal blade fans typically put out a lot more air. So, this little metal blade fan, which is currently set on high, that's Nikki that's helping out, is drawing about 52 watts. The Dreo is also drawing about 53 watts, so that's pretty much an even matchup as far as power. The Dreo has a number of advantages, though. For one, the air is much more focused. I can feel it coming at me kind of like a tunnel, whereas the other one's kind of blowing just in this direction. So it's got focus, it's got a remote control. Love the remote control. You can set it to oscillate, assuming that it does that. There we go. You can set it to oscillate. And it has 4 speeds, whereas my older fan only has 3. Now let's check this out. You hear how loud it is, right? Now we're listening to just the Dreo. Much quieter, more focused, oscillates. You can put a timer on it, and all this can be done with a remote control. Yeah, this guy rocks. You want one.
super quiet, but just recently it started making this squeaking noise as it oscillates. I've literally had it for 3 months. Max. So annoying. And it gets louder and louder the longer you have it on. My husband has the same one. It does not do this.
for your normal mode, auto mode. It's nice. And then it's all touch. And then your remote. Super nice. Comes with batteries. And there is an app if you want to like schedule your fan.
School too. Bit of cheese to go there. I should think this special one, John. Is that infernal thing on your lip? Is there a purpose to your presence? You are in the halls of Her Majesty's government to the tune of 8 million. I had no idea I was so deep in this hole.
Este ventilador es de gran utilidad, es uno de los más que trabajan con más velocidad. Están conectados con Alexa. Por ejemplo, Alexa, sube el ventilador.
Muy bien.
Alexa, apaga el ventilador.
Muy bien.
Simplemente maravilloso.
brand new. It does that every minute. So annoying.
Alexa, turn fan on. Alexa, lower fan speed. Alexa, turn fan off.
Understood. This is your one and only one.
Alexa, air circulator on.
And then we throw them out the window. We throw them out the window. Yes, since...
This is the best little fan. It's powerful. Has a remote. So good.
Alexa, enciende ventilador cuarto.
Muy bien.